Hello everyone, this is Helen. The last video, I made braised pork. The color is bright, the meat is soft and tender, and the taste is sweet and salty. I like it very much. I can eat a plate of braised pork. It's also the most popular dish at parties. In this video, I bring you the traditional Chinese food, dumplings. Let's cut the shallot and ginger first. These two ingredients must be put in pork food. Shred the shallot, mince the ginger, and place in meat sauce. Then add 3 small spoons of salt, a bit of white pepper, allspice powder, two spoons of light soy sauce, 1 spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of sesame oil, and then add an egg, and stir with chopsticks. Allow the ingredients and seasonings to fully mix with the meat filling. Slowly, the meat filling will give off a scent. Stir for a while, till the meat filling becomes sticky, and you can stop it with a brush filling. Take out the cooked corn kernels and shrimps prepared in advance. Cut the shrimps into small pieces of 1 centimeter, and then pour them into meat filling. And then stir the ingredients evenly and let them stick to each other. Now, starting to make dough. I will make 4 cans of dough today. Prepare a pot. Put a bowl of flour and a handful of spinach powder. Add water and slowly mix the flour and finally combine into a suitable hard-knit dough. Put the dough in a new bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Next, we'll make the other 3 types. Purple potato powder and yellow pumpkin powder. These powders are made by cooking and drying vegetables and then crushing them with a breaker. The white ones are made from plain flour. Brightly colored dumplings children love to eat and more nutritious. In the next step, we put the dough back to the bowl in order. This step is mainly to make the dough stronger and smoother. If you feel trouble, you can omit this step. Put them in the bowls and cover with plastic wrap again. I started to cut leek. It's a plant similar to green shallot, but it's totally 2 kinds of things. Green leek has a special smell and is particularly fragrant when cooked with pork or lamb, so it's very popular. We cut the leek into 3 mm granules and put them in a pot. Then we pour into the meat filling that we just prepared and let the vegetable and meat filling stir well. Next, we roll the dough with a rolling pin and then make dumplings. Take out a piece of spinach dough, knead it on the floorboard, and then dig a hole in the middle. Slowly pull the dough fine, and then knead it longer on the floorboard, and use your hands to make small dough. Sprinkle with flour to prevent sticking. Then roll them round, flatten them, and use a rolling pin to roll into thin slices. The principle is the middle is thick and the round is thin. It's a bit difficult at first, but after practice, I'm sure you will improve more and more. If you can't make it, don't be so strict. Just wrap the filling without breaking it is okay. Take a dough and place it in the palm of your left hand, and put the filling in the middle of the dough. Then squeeze it first in the middle, and then pinch the folds from right to left. The folds are on the back of the crust, and the front is flat. This filling works very well and doesn't scatter. Then use this method to make the dumplings of other colors in turn. I made bands in the front video. They are similar to dumplings. They are all combined with dough and fillings. However, the difference is that the bands need to be fermented and steamed. The cooked dough is soft, while the dumplings is cooked in water. Taste a little strong, but more convenient to make. So their taste and production process are different. In many Chinese festivals, eating dumplings is a traditional custom. My family's company has invested in 2 dumpling restaurants in our city. Whenever there's a festival, there are many people come to eat dumplings, morning till night. This is the result of today. There are many dumplings which are colorful and very beautiful. Now we start to cook the dumplings. After the water is boiling, put the dumplings in the pot, and then push them with a spoon to prevent the dumplings from sticking to the bottom of the pan. After a while, the dumplings will flow up. So don't cook too much dumplings at one time. It will break if they are too crowded. After boiling for 10 minutes, pour in some cold water, and then boil for another 5 minutes. After that, the dumplings are cooked. Take out the dumplings with a strainer, put them in a plate, and make a plate of colorful dumplings. The dumplings with pork and leek are very fragrant, and you can also change any other fillings you like, no problem. The heat is gone, and you can enjoy them. Thank you for watching my video. Welcome to subscribe to my channel and leave a message under the video. I will continue to update more food videos. See you next time. Bye!